Welcome back to Smart Drive Hub, the channel where real machines meet real enthusiasts. If you love powerful engines, iconic designs, brand new releases, and honest automotive breakdowns, then you're in the right place. Every single day we bring you the latest cars, bikes, walkarounds, reviews, and first look reveals from around the world. So before we jump into today's exciting showcase, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because you don't want to miss any of our upcoming uploads. Alright, let's get straight into it. Today, we're taking our first official look at the brand new 2026 Harley Davidson WLA, a modern revival of a legendary wartime motorcycle that has made its comeback with a bold identity, advanced engineering, and true Harley heritage. Harley Davidson has combined historic styling with modern performance to create a machine that feels nostalgic yet futuristic at the same time. And trust me, this one is going to turn a lot of heads. The design immediately stands out. The 2026 WLA carries a rugged military-inspired aesthetic with matte green paintwork, exposed metal details, and a minimalistic frame that pays tribute to the original 1940s WLA. Harley kept the iconic tall front fender, retro round headlamp, and upright riding posture, but everything from the chassis stiffness to the suspension geometry has been upgraded for modern-day performance. It's classic, but not outdated, exactly what Harley knows how to do best. Under the tank, you get a brand new 1,250 cubic centimeters Revolution Max based V-twin engine tuned specifically for low-end pull and smooth delivery. The torque response is super strong at low RPMs, making it perfect for both city rides and open-road cruising. The engine feels punchy, refined, and extremely responsive, giving you the authentic Harley rumble but with next-generation efficiency and reduced vibrations. Harley clearly wanted to modernize the legend without killing its soul, and they nailed it. The bike now features fully updated electronics, including ride-by-wire throttle, cruise control, ABS, traction management, and multiple ride modes designed to mimic the old WLA rugged adaptability. You also get LED lighting throughout, improved heat management, and a compact digital analog hybrid display that mixes nostalgia with modern clarity. It's the kind of setup that feels old school but functions like a true 2026 machine. Comfort has also improved a lot. The new WLA comes with a revised suspension setup, a reinforced frame, and a solo military-style saddle that not only looks iconic but is surprisingly comfortable for longer rides. The handlebars are positioned for an upright stance, giving you great visibility and reducing arm fatigue. Harley designed this motorcycle for riders who want to cruise for hours and still feel fresh when they step off the bike. Braking performance has also taken a huge leap forward. Dual-disc front brakes, a sharpened rear unit, and a modern ABS system give you strong stopping power even in tricky road conditions. Combine that with beefy tires designed for mixed terrain, and you get a motorcycle that performs as good as it looks. Overall, the 2026 Harley Davidson WLA feels like a respectful salute to the past with the engineering of the future. It's stylish, powerful, unique, and carries an emotional value that only a true Harley classic can deliver. Whether you're a vintage lover or a modern tech rider, this bike sits perfectly in the middle, a rare combination in today's motorcycle world. If you want more first looks, walkarounds, deep dive features, and upcoming vehicle releases, make sure you stay tuned to Smart Drive Hub. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you think about the new Harley WLA. Would you buy one? Is the classic revival trend going too far, or is this exactly what the motorcycle world needed? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.